everyone, I'm Nur Alia. Today I will explain a very interesting everyday phenomenon, which is how a bicycle light can turn on just by pedaling, even without any batteries. This is all thanks to a fundamental physics principle called Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Have you ever seen a bicycle light that works even without batteries? The light only turns on when you pedal. So this happens because of a device called a dynamo, which is connected to the bicycle wheel. But what's really happening inside is a process called electromagnetic induction, discovered by Michael Faraday. Faraday's law says that a voltage or electromotive force is induced in a coil when the magnetic flux through it changes. Magnetic flux depends on the magnetic field strength, the area, and the angle between them. So, any change in these values causes a change in flux, and that creates a voltage. Let's see how this works on a bicycle. When you pedal, the wheel spins the dynamo. Inside the dynamo, there is a magnet that also starts spinning. This magnet is surrounded by a coil of wire. As the magnet spins, it constantly changes the magnetic field around the coil. That changing magnetic field creates a changing magnetic flux. According to Faraday's law, this causes voltage to be induced in the coil, which then powers the lamp and turns on the light. So, what exactly is changing? The spinning of the magnet means the magnetic field inside the coil keeps changing direction and strength. This changes the magnetic flux. The faster you pedal, the faster the flux changes, and the more voltage is produced. That's why the light gets brighter when you pedal faster. It's a direct result of Faraday's law. More change in flux equals more induced voltage. In conclusion, this is how a simple action like pedaling a bicycle can generate electricity. The rotation of the wheel causes a magnet to spin, which changes the magnetic field through a coil. This change in flux induces a voltage, and that voltage powers the light. It's a perfect real-life example of Faraday's law in action, which turning mechanical energy into electrical energy. Thank you.